Hey guys, welcome back to some My Day Fun Adventures. Today we at the Griffith Observatory. Come with me.
Let's go to the observatory.
The My Day Fun Adventures.
A fun day at the Griffith Observatory Planetarium, where we can look through telescopes and explore exhibits. Did you know in 1609 an astronomer named Galileo learned of the telescope, an invention that magnified the view of distant objects? He built one for himself with a tube and lenses and used it to observe the sky. Did you know Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system? Present day, Mars is deserted and quiet. Its canyons, volcanoes, craters, and floodplains indicate an active past. Let's take a look at another planet called Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. A bus ride back down from the observatory.
this is it for this video. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button. And also while you're doing it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next fun adventure. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming with us at the Griffith Park Observatory.
Bye.
Thank you for coming. And thank you for watching.